Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I'm sure a lot of you have been wondering about. How many employees does Bread Financial have? Before we dive into that, let's talk a little bit about Bread Financial. It's a financial services company that was founded in 1995. The company offers a variety of financial products and services, including credit cards, personal loans, and auto loans. Bread Financial is headquartered in Columbus, Ohio, and has over 7,000 employees worldwide. So, how many employees does Bread Financial have? Well, according to the company's website, they have over 7,000 employees worldwide. This makes them one of the largest financial services companies in the United States. I think it's pretty impressive that Bread Financial has over 7,000 employees. It shows that they're a large and successful company. Now that we know how many employees Bread Financial has, let's talk about some of the benefits of working there. One of the benefits of working at Bread Financial is that they offer a competitive salary and benefits package. They also offer a variety of career development opportunities. Bread Financial is also a great place to work because they're committed to creating a positive and inclusive workplace culture. They offer a number of employee resources and support programs, such as flexible work schedules, childcare assistance, and tuition reimbursement. If you're looking for a career in the financial services industry, Bread Financial is a great company to consider. They offer a variety of career opportunities and a competitive benefits package. So, there you have it. Bread Financial has over 7,000 employees worldwide. They're a large and successful company that offers a variety of career opportunities. If you're looking for a career in the financial services industry, Bread Financial is a great company to consider. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.